Hello viewers, so welcome as we solve this maths problem within the shortest time possible. So we have 3 to the power of k plus 3 to the power of k is equals to 108. So the first thing that we start with, we want to start with the solution. So this one is what you're working out, 3 to the power of k plus 3 to the power of k is equals to 108. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to factorize 3 to the power of k plus 3 to the power of k because they have the same base. So 3 to the power of k can also be written as 3 to the power of k into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 108. So in this case now we shall have 3 to the power of k into bracket 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 108. So our next step now, for us to remain with 3 to the power of k, we shall divide both sides by 2, so that 2 by 2 will cancel. So now we shall have 3 to the power of k is equals to 2 here once, 2 into 108, 54. So 3 to the power of k is equals to 54. So our next step is now to change 54 to the base of 3, which is impossible. So now we shall have to use the logarithms. So here now we shall introduce the log of 3 to the power of k is equals to the log of 54. So the log of 3 to the power of k can also be written as k log 3 is equals to the log of 54. So in this case now, for us to remain with k on this other end, we shall divide both sides by the log of 3. This side also by the log of 3. So that the log of 3 and the log of 3 shall cancel. So now we shall remain with k on that end. So now we shall now conclude and say that k is equals to the log of 54 all over the log of 3. So we don't stop here. We can still factorize the log of 54. So we can also say now that k is equals to, so the log of 54 can also be written as the log of 3 multiplied by 18 all over the log of 3. So in this case, once we reach at this particular stage, so we shall be forced to split this maths. So now we shall now have k is equals to, so we shall have the log of 3. So all over, we shall divide both sides by the log of 3, all over the log of 3. Then according to the law of logarithms, the multiplication sign shall now change to addition. So plus now the log of 18 all over the log of 3. So in this case now we shall now say that our k here now is equals to, so the log of 3 and the log of 3 shall cancel. So we shall have 1 plus the log of 18 all over the log of 3. So we don't stop, then proceed, and then so we can still factorize this problem. Now shall now have k is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 18 can also be written as the log of 3 multiplied by 6 all over the log of 3. So now our k is equals to, now we shall have 1 plus, so let's split it, so log 3 all over log 3. So both sides shall be divided by log 3. Then according to the law, the multiplication sign shall now change to addition. So plus the log of 6 all over the log of 3. So in this case now we shall have, so here now we shall have k is equals to 1 plus, so the log of 3 and log of 3 shall cancel. So we shall now have again 1 plus the log of 6 all over the log of 3. So we can still proceed in this case and now say that k is equals to 1 plus 1, which is 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2 plus the log of 6 all over the log of 3. So in this case now let us note that, so note that when you have the log a all over log b, so this one can also be written as, when you have log a all over log b, This one can also be written as, so the log of a to the base of b. So in this case now we shall have our answer as k is equals to 2 plus, so here now we shall have the log of 6 to base 3. So this one now shall be our value for k.